my channel. In the past videos, we see about introduction to programming, programming concepts, and variables. In today's video, we will see about operators. I start my presentation. Let me start with the code said by Stephen Hawking. Whether you want to uncover the secrets of universe or to pursue a career in 21st century, basic computer programming is an essential skill to learn. Whatever the career may be, whatever the field you are, computer programming may help you to think logically and to decide a decision in a good manner. Let's see about operators. So let's see what is an operator. So operator is a character or a characters that determine action that is to be performed or considered. For example, these are some of the operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equal to. In computer science, equal to is also called as assignment operator. We'll see the types. So there are various types of operators like arithmetic operators. We will do arithmetic operation, logical operators, comparison or relational operators, bitwise operators, assignment operator, as I said before, is equal to, an identity operator, membership operator. These are two things that are available in Python. Go to the next. Arithmetic operator. So what is an arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operators are the basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So some of the operators. There is another one called floor division, which means whenever we are getting a result of a decimal value, we want only the integer part of the value. At that time, we can use floor division. We'll remove the decimal part of the result. So the next one is a logical operator. So logical operator is which is an operator that combines two or more expression or a statement together to give a result. For example, AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. We'll see the operators in a demo session after this video. Or maybe I will post the video of a demo in a separate video also. Depends upon the time it takes. So comparison operator. So comparison operator, as the name suggests, it is a comparison between two or more variables or expression. These are the some of the operators that comes under comparison operator or relationship operator. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Next one is a bitwise operator. This comes under the when you are comparing the binary values of a number or a string. In that case, we use bitwise operator. So these are some of the bitwise operators like and, or, not, approximation symbol, shift left, shift right. These are the some of the bitwise operators. Next one is assignment operator, which is used to assign a data to a variable. So in that case, we use equal to sign. The next one is identity operator. So identity operator is used to find whether the two variable is the same or not, similar to equal to. In this case, we use is and is not, whether the A is B or A is not B. Likewise, we use this operator. The next one is membership operator. So membership operator is whether to use to find whether the value is present in a sequence or not. Even when we are searching for a string in Wikipedia page, for example, use Control F and search any word that will use this concept to find a string in the sequence of strings. Okay? These are some of the membership operators, like in, not in, whether the string is in sequence or not in sequence. Okay? We'll see the demonstration in a separate video. Okay. Thank you for watching.